Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Gardening is Life, and today we're going to be transplanting a papaya tree that I purchased online into a big pot so we can be growing a dwarf papaya tree indoors. The tree comes about, here's my hand, so you can see the height of the tree, and it comes in this small container. It was I ordered two, and I also ordered a pomegranate tree, which it's kind of tiny, but all three of them came in the same package. I ordered it on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description below. So all three of them came in the same package. They were nicely wrapped in a bag with some tape around the containers, and in a small box with styrofoam. So I ordered them 4 days ago, and it took about 4 days to be delivered to my house, which is not bad. So let's go straight to it. We're gonna be transplanting this little papaya tree into that big pot. So let's get to it. So this is what you need. You need a big container. I just bought this one today. It's the biggest plastic container that I could find. It's about 20 inches wide, 20 inches tall. And I filled it up with 3 different types of dirt. Most of them are very light dirts that have good drainage, because that's what papayas like. And that's what I did. I filled it up, mixed it around, and most of this dirt will sink in, and you'll be able to add more later on, especially when you water it. I did try to compress it down as much as I could, especially on the bottom, so that helped a little bit. But when I first plant this, I will make like a small hill in the center. That way, when it settles down, it will be pretty much even with the pot. That way I'll be able to add more dirt or fertilizer or whatever later down the road. So after about piling it up, all I do is pretty much make a hole. Let's get it. It's about that's all deep. And on this one, make sure to pretty much nudge it a little bit so it can get loose. I did water it. Watering helps because it pretty much keeps the block together, and then makes it a lot easier to take out. So I'll grab it gently, and bam, pulls out. And you can see the roots and everything. Let me just set this down a little bit. Now you have a free container. Sweet. All right, the hole is dug. Now we're going to gently lift it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Normally I try to avoid this, but it does happen. Let me just mix this dirt a little bit. Let me put it back in the hole. But it's no problem. It will still take, and it will still grow. Now, all right, now you gently want to add the dirt so you can fill all the little crevices by the roots and avoid the air bubbles. chunk right there. And a spoon comes very helpful. It's very easy to use, and everybody has a spoon. All right, there you go. It's very simple. In my area, it's still too cold to bring the plants outside, and I don't want it to freeze, so they're not very cold friendly, especially when they're very young. But later on, they can be taken outside in the sun, and they shouldn't have a problem whatsoever. Let me pile this hill up a little bit more. All right, and that's how you transplant a papaya after you buy one. Very easy and simple, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll be releasing a lot more videos, and I'll be keeping progress on this little papaya to see how well it does. And I'll keep you guys updated. And if you want to buy one, I'll have the link in the description. And there you go. Now we're going to add some water, and our papaya tree will be ready to go. Make this. Let me make it straight. All right. Simple and easy. They do like to get a lot of sunlight, but they also like reflected heat. So you can keep them indoors and they'll be just fine. But I personally will take mine out during the summertime and just leave it outside, because the more sunlight it gets, the better the fruit will be and the faster it will grow. And there you go. We just added some water. Very simple and easy, guys. Pile on some more dirt. In a day or two, this one will settle down, and I will add more water. I just don't want to add too much water because right after the video, I'll be moving this to a different location. And after I move it to a different location and I add the little water collecting tray underneath, I will add some more water, and it should settle this down a little bit more. So there you go. Very easy, very simple. Homegrown papayas coming soon, hopefully. And as always, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Enjoy.